In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Matrix key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of those batteries or you would like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So check that out if you are interested, and then we can just jump right into this. The first step is to look up here on the top of the device. You can see there's that little slot in the plastic right along the seam there. Just insert your flathead screwdriver into that area and twist the screwdriver. That will crack this device open. You can pull these two parts apart, set the back to the side. And from here, we just want to push the battery out of this little metal C that you see there that houses it. You can just push on it with your thumb, or if it's a little bit stuck and it doesn't want to move, just use the same tool and come in on a little opening on the side, and you just want to push it out a little bit, just enough for you to then remove it with your fingers. Again, this is a CR2032 battery. Make sure that is what you are putting in your Matrix key fob. And when you are putting your new battery in there, make sure the positive side is going face up. So go ahead and slide your battery back into that little C, push it all the way in, and you want to see that plus sign facing up. All that's left to do is to click the two halves of the device back together. And that is really all it takes. It's a super simple process. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model, so you can go ahead and check those out, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.